Hello my lovely juniors, this is Ashok and welcome to iCan Technologies. In the today's video, that is part 6, we are learning about the improving manufacturing plant using the role of robotics in the medical industries. So we can write, if anybody asking in the exam, this one we can write on general answer. So how we can write answer for this, I am telling you, okay. So first we will know what is mean by case. So they are telling, right, consider a use case. So we should know what is mean by use case first. So then how we can demonstrate the improving manufacturing plant with respect to the medical electronics or the any equipment manufacturing industry. Okay, it is not only medical electronics. So it is a general answer. You can write this one for the any question. So first one is the what is mean by use case. It is a method used in a system analysis to identify, clarify and organize the system requirement. So what are the elements of use case? Okay, so to make any case study, what we will do, what is mean by case study, I will tell you. For example, one lawyer is there, he got one case, some any theft case, like any murder case. What he will do, he will first identify who is the victim, otherwise the who is the murderer. They will check on it, identify first, and then they will take the information from the both sides, what happened, when the murder happened, everything. And then the requirements, they will say to file this case what all we need, requirements and all that one, they will explain. So once these three steps are done, they will start the process. It may be filing the case, like opening the FIR, whatever the cases are there, they will take as the process. And then they will make analysis in the court with the both victim and suspect. So they will be on the both side of the court and they will check what is happening, everything. So this is a case study. It is a case means just like how it is happening in the court, same we are applying in the industry also. Okay, so that's why explain the use case of manufacturing plant in the medical industry. So first we will make identify, then information, collect all the information. Like first one is the medical industry, right? So we will check what is the medical industry. In medical industry we have so many things. We have medicines, and then medical equipments, we have syringes, injections, there are so many parts in the medical industry. First we will identify what is that industry and what are their products, and then we will get the information about the industry. Third one is the requirement, what exactly this medical industry want to produce. It may be like injections, or the ointment, any kind of product. Okay, and then we'll check the process, what all process they are following in production of that particular devices or products. And then we'll make the analysis of it may be about the production, or it may be about the sales. Everything comes under the analysis. So in the first step, we will have the to improve, what we have to do in what they want is like improving the manufacturing plant. So what all actions we can take to improve the manufacturing plant in the different industries. Okay, first one is you should never compromise on quality, reinforce it with the process mapping. So if they are asking in the exam, means this one you can just write it with the correct words. So now I'll just explain what is mean by it. So to improve any manufacturing plant, the quality is must. So that is what they are trying to explain here. Okay, in the second one, in-house tech takers center stage in R&D, innovate timeline. So there will be a R&D team in all the plants. They are making research and development. R&D means research and development. Okay, they will make R&D for the each process, devices or the any products they are making. So that R&D team should be very, very strong. That is what it says. And then the third one is the measuring productivity in medical electronics. So they should always measure like how much products we are producing, how much products they are going to sell, and if any product is sold already to customer, what is his feedback or what is their feedback. Everything they should take. That is called as the measuring productivity. Fourth one, providing access to the real-time data. Means, for example, if anybody taking anything from the industry, like customers, partners, suppliers, everyone, we should know what is mean by real time data. For example, in any companies there, we should know large amount account to be on hold, right? So there will be so many accounts are there, so we should know immediate access data for the stock level warnings, back orders in the company, and the performance, and the, like, there are so many things, order status, and what is the service date which we have given earlier, order information, contact renewal reminders, delivery notifications, appointment confirmations. So we should know about all these things very well, and invest in smart machining equipment. So the before and all we used to make the manual process. Now artificial intelligence came, robotics came, so we have to invest in all those things to make the production fast and like the perfect with the accuracy and all. Okay, and then sixth one is the invest in the preventive maintenance. Seventh one, stay organized. Eighth one, develop realistic expectations. So last one, what is the role of robotics in the manufacturing plant in the medical industry? First one, if you use the robotics in the manufacturing industry, it may be medical industry or any industry, these are the five main parts. But in the medical industry, if they are asking, you can write high quality patient care, like streamlined clinical workflows, and the safe work environment, surgical assistance robots. Nowadays only before any doctor is doing operation kind of thing, the nurses used to help because of the shortage during the covid and everything. So now everywhere robots are implemented, so they will help and assist in the during the surgical or operation things. And then the orthopedic surgeries, like this you can write a n number of answers for this. Okay, you can search on your own, otherwise you can think and write. Okay, and then in the part 8, that is the next video, we are learning about the wastage of material. So for the wastage of material means there will be waste in the medical electronics, everything. So how we are maintaining it, so we'll make one study about it. Okay, so we'll again meet up with the next video. So till then, see you, bye bye.